In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset network settings on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And for some reason, you may need to reset settings for your Wi-Fi, for your Bluetooth or something like that. So let me show you how to simply do that. And first, open up your settings and scroll down until you find General. There, scroll to the very bottom to get into transfer or reset iPhone. Now you are able to reset and erase all content and settings. You need to select the first option, just reset, and there are a bunch of different options and you need to hit reset network settings right there. Now you need to confirm that action by entering your passcode from that device, and then your network settings on that device will be resetted. So if you got some issues with your internet connection, that may help you. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.